for 7th and today we are doing exercise 1.1. Question number 9. Use the sign of greater, smaller or equal in the box to make the statements true. So here given mathematical statements and you have to put correct sign in given box. So let's start how we will solve this question. Question number 9, A part. Question is -8 plus within bracket -9 -4. -8 plus -4. And here this side you have -8 -4. And here given box to you. So look, two side you have, this one left hand side, this one right hand side. First we solve this portion only. Right hand side, so you are looking -8 within bracket, addition sign here and this one -4. Both are same, you can add both -8 and -4. If you add same sign added, 8 plus 4 12 and sign of minus. You can write directly also. You can do directly like that also. Other method, -8 plus bracket means multiply, plus into minus, -4. Same sign added, so -12. Here you will not put any equal sign. Here you have to apply sign, so we will not put any sign here. -8 plus bracket means multiply, plus into minus, -4. Same sign added, -8 -4. Add हो जाएंगे 8 plus 4 12 and sign of minus. Now we will calculate this portion. -8 minus -4. -8 we will write as it minus bracket means multiply, minus into minus, minus into minus, minus into minus will be plus. Okay, minus into minus will be plus. So it will be 4. Here minus sign, here plus sign. -8 plus 4. Different signs subtracted. So we will do subtraction. 8 minus 4 हो जाएगा 4. Sign of greater number. Greater number is 8. So sign of minus here. So here you are getting -4. We can't put directly sign here. First we have to calculate. After that we have to put sign. Okay. So -12 -4. Which one greater? You know when we take negative integer, so smaller number will be greater. 4 -4 -12. Which one smaller number? 4 is smaller number, but here minus sign, so it will be greater. So we will put greater sign. Open sign represent greater. Okay. Here also and here also. Like that you have to solve this question. Earlier told you plus multiplied by plus, so you get plus. Minus multiplied by minus, so you get plus. Plus into minus equals to you get minus, and minus into plus you get minus. When you multiply same sign, प्लस और प्लस को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो भी प्लस मिलेगा, माइनस और माइनस को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो भी प्लस मिलेगा. अलग अलग साइन को प्लस और माइनस को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो माइनस मिलेगा. Remember that one, when you multiply same sign you will get plus. Okay, this one your first question. Now we will do B part. Question is -3 within bracket plus 7 minus 19. Okay. Here box you have done 15 minus 8 plus within bracket minus 9. Minus 3 plus 7 minus within bracket 19. Here 15 minus 8 minus plus minus 9. Okay, first we will solve this part. We can write minus 3. This one plus 7 and here minus bracket and inside no sign, it means plus sign there. So plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus, and this one being 19. Okay, minus 3 and minus 19. Same. You can do like that also. Plus 7. We can write same sign together and then we can calculate this one. It will be minus same sign added 19 plus 3, 19 and 3. 19 and 3 added, so it will be 22. Sign of minus 22 plus 7. Same sign added, so it will be 22 plus 7. Okay. We written minus 3 as if we bring minus 19 here and 7 plus 7 we written here. Same sign we written together. So you know that same sign added. Add कर देंगे 19 और 3 को, you will get 22. Sign of minus here, so minus 19, 20, 21, 22. Now plus 7. So here minus sign, here plus sign. Different sign, subtracted. So what we will do? Subtraction here, 12 minus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 and here 1, 15. Sign of greater number is 22, so minus. You will get minus 15. Minus 15. Okay, like that you can calculate. Other method to solve this one, you can do like that also. And other method for solving this one, you can do like that also. Minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. First take these two together. Minus 3 plus 7. Here minus, here plus. So both have different signs. So subtracted. ये है minus 3 and plus 7. So 7 minus 3. How much? 4. Sign of greater number plus. So you will get plus 4. And here minus 19. No need to show plus sign. So 4 minus 19. अब 19 ऊपर लिखेंगे, 4 को नीचे लिखेंगे. Sign of minus here and this one plus. Different sign, subtracted. 19 में से 4 गया, you will get 15. Sign of greater number minus. So same way you will get, both way you will get same answer. So any way you can do like that or like that. Okay. So I am writing simple method for you. Minus 3 plus 7. Different sign, subtracted. 7 minus 3 होता है 4. Sign of greater number plus. Plus sign no need to show. Minus 19. This one plus, this one minus. So we will do subtraction. 19 में से 4 minus करेंगे. You have 15. Sign of greater number. Greater number क्या है? 19. तो minus sign आएगा. Now check this one. 15 as it minus 8 plus bracket multiply into minus, plus into minus, minus 9. Okay, 15, this one positive, this one negative. 15 positive, 8 negative. So how much? 15 minus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 7 you have. Sign of greater number plus sign आएगा. No need to show plus sign. So we will write 7 only. We done this one. Now minus 9. Okay. 15 minus 8 you get 7. 15 का साइन प्लस है, 7 का भी प्लस होगा. 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9 plus 7 minus 9. So greater right upper side, minus 9 plus 7. What you will do? Different sign, subtraction. 9 minus 7, 2. Sign of greater, minus 2. You will get minus 2. Okay, here minus 15, here minus 2. So which one greater? Minus 2 will be greater. Everywhere put this sign and here also. Hope you are getting that all. Okay, now come in next question. Like that you have to do this question. Now come in C part. C part here. 23 minus 41 plus 11. Here box you have 23 minus 41 minus 11. You can check directly also. Plus 23 plus 23 minus 41 minus 41 and plus 11 minus 11. 23 minus 41 plus 11, and this side you have 23 minus 41 minus 11. 23 same. We remove this one. Minus 41 same. We remove this one. Okay. Now you have plus 11 minus 11. So which one greater? This one greater. So you can put directly greater sign here also. But you should know calculation also. So we will do with the help of calculation this. You can do directly like that also. Okay. Let's check. First we will do this part. 23 minus 41 plus 11. Okay. 23 minus 41. This is positive. Minus 41 and plus 23. Both have different sign. Different sign subtracted. 41 में से 23 माइनस हो जाएगा. 11 minus 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how much you have? 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, here 3 minus 2, 1. 18 you have. Sign of greater number. Greater number है 41 तो minus आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. Minus 18. We calculate these two. Now we have plus 11. Okay. Now plus 11 and this one minus 18. This one plus 11. Different sign you have subtracted. 8 minus 1. 41. 23 positive, minus 41 plus 23. Different sign, subtracted. If you do minus here, 11 minus 3, you will get 8. And here 3, 1. Sign operator, minus 18. Minus 18, minus 11. Okay. Minus 18, minus 11. Minus 18, minus 11. Both have same sign. Added 9 plus 1. Sorry, 8 plus 1 हो जाएगा 9. 1 plus 1 2. 29 and sign of minus. तो आपको यहाँ मिल जाएगा 20 minus 29. Okay, here you have minus 7 and here you have minus 29. So tell friend which one will be greater? Minus 7 or minus 29? Minus 7 will be greater. When you take negative integer, so which one smaller number will be greater? जो छोटा होगा उसका वैल्यू ज्यादा होगा, because here minus sign. So minus 7 will be greater. So everywhere we put same sign. When you done this one directly, then also you are getting same sign. So like that you have to solve this question. Now come in D part. This is your D part. D part is 39 plus minus 24 minus 15. Here box you have, and 36 plus minus 52 and minus, then again minus 36. Let's match 39 plus within bracket minus 24 minus 15 box 36 plus minus 52 minus minus 36. Okay, let's match directly. 39 here, 36 here. So we can't match. Bracket means multiply. 24 here and here minus 15. Two choice you have. You can write 39 as it. Minus minus. Same sign added. Sign of minus. 5 plus 4 हो जाएगा 9 and 2 plus 1 3. आपको मिलेगा 39 plus 39 minus 39. 39 में से 39 minus 0. Okay. You can do like that. Minus minus same sign added. Add किया तो आपको क्या मिला 39. 39 minus 39 0. And now we will do this one. Okay. 36 as it plus bracket minus, bracket means multiply, plus into minus, minus 52 minus bracket minus, minus into minus plus 36. Okay, 36 36 both have same sign. You will get 52. 52 minus 52 0. Or you can do like that also. 36 positive minus 52. One positive, one negative. So we will do subtraction, greater number write upper side and lower smaller write down side. This one minus, this one plus. 12 minus 6, 6. Here 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Sign of 36 minus 52. 12 here, 12 minus 6, 6. And here 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 16. And sign of minus. You are looking here 36, 36 and in middle 52. So 36 plus 36 minus 52. Minus you will do 12 minus 6, 6. Here left 4, 4 minus 3, 1. So you have minus 16 plus 36. Okay. Minus 16 plus 36. So 36 plus and minus 16. Different sign subtracted. 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 minus 1 2. Sign of greater. Greater is positive. तो आपको आंसर मिलेगा 20. 20 means plus 20. Okay. And you can do directly also 36 minus 52 plus 36. 36 plus 36 minus 52. सेम साइन वाले को ऐड कर देंगे. 36 में 36 प्लस होगा. 6 plus 6 12. 3 plus 3 6 and 7. 72 minus 52. 72 में से 52 माइनस करेंगे. 2 minus 2 0. 5 minus 7 minus 5 2. Then also you will get same answer. Anyway you can do. Okay, now compare. Here 0, here 20. Which one better? Now question E. Minus 23. No. 231 minus 231 plus 79 plus 51. Okay, box you have and minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. Let's match 231 plus 79 plus 51. Here minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. So first we will solve this portion. Okay, minus 231 plus 79 plus 51. We will write this one as a 231. Here plus, same sign you have. Plus 79 plus 51. Both are positive, तो same sign added होते हैं. Add करते हैं उनको. 9 plus 0, 9 plus 1, 10, 0 here, 1, 7 and 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 130, sign of plus, plus 130. Okay, same sign we can add. You can calculate these two also, but it will simple for you. It one will be easy for you. So first add these two. You will get 130 plus 130. Now you have minus 231 and plus positive. You have these two numbers. This one negative, this one positive. So you know that different sign subtracted. इसमें माइनस है, इसमें प्लस है, तो क्या होगा ये सब्ट्रैक्शन. 1 माइनस 0 1. किसी भी नंबर में से 0 माइनस करेंगे तो सेम बचेगा. 3 माइनस 3 0. 2 माइनस 1 1. So sign of greater number. What is your greater number? 231. तो इसका साइन आ जाएगा माइनस 101. 101. Same way we will solve this part also. So part is 399 plus 159 plus 81. You are looking here minus, here positive, here also positive. Plus sign, same sign, added. Plus 159 plus 81, same sign है तो ऐड हो जाएगा. 9 plus 1 10 0. 8 plus 1 1 carry you have. 8 में 1 plus क्या 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 14 and 1 carry तो ये हो जाएगा 240. Both added same sign है. 9 plus 1 10 0. 5 में 6 6 and 8 को प्लस करेंगे 14. 1 plus 1 2. So you will get plus 240. We not done anything with this number, so we will write this one as it plus 240. When you add both 9 plus 1 10. 8 में 1 plus 1 9 10 11 12 13 14 4 and 240. Now this one negative, this one positive. Minus 399 plus 240. क्या मिलेगा आपको 9 1 negative 1 positive. When 1 negative 1 positive, so what we will do? We will do subtraction. Minus हो जाएगा. 9 में से 0 गया 9. 9 minus 4 5. 3 minus 2 1. Sign of greater number. Greater number is 399. We are taking number only. नंबर देख रहे हैं, साइन को नहीं देख रहे हैं. तो ग्रेटर कौन सा है इसमें से 399. तो साइन ऑफ माइनस, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा आपका माइनस. आंसर विल बी हियर माइनस 159. ओके. First we add both. You get 240. Then this one negative, this one positive. Then we do subtraction. So you get here 159. 159 you have. Here you have 101. Here you have 159. So you know that in negative number increase but its value decrease. इनमें से जो नंबर छोटा होगा 101 is smaller, but here minus sign